7 free AI tools that you didn't know existed. These tools have not only made my life easier, but they've also opened up a ton of new possibilities. So let's get started. Tool number 1 on our list is ListenMonster. ListenMonster is a top-rated speech-to-text service known for its speed and its accuracy. So go ahead and talk as much as your heart desires, and ListenMonster is going to write it all down for you. That's right. This tool is amazing because it's completely free. It's totally unlimited. You could use it as much as you want, and you don't even have to sign in to use it. And as a matter of fact, I don't even think you can sign in. So it supports a variety of audio and video formats. All you got to do is upload your audio or your video that you want transcribed, and you can get it back free of charge. Man, I love getting something for nothing. The link for ListenMonster is provided in the description. Now, before we move on to the next tool, please take a moment to like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm giving you guys the real free tools, not tools that have free trials and then they make you pay like these other people are promoting. All right, moving right along, tool number 2 is Exoname. Exoname is an AI-powered domain name generator specifically designed for business. It uses advanced AI technology to generate unique, relevant, and SEO-friendly domain name suggestions based on the description of your business. All you got to do is sign in with your Gmail account and you're good to go. Now, you can find the link for Exoname in the description below for your convenience. That's right. Now, the third tool that I love to use is AI Landing Page Generator. This tool uses AI to generate unique and efficient landing pages perfectly suited for whatever you're looking for. Okay, so if you got a business that you're looking to create a website for, don't go hiring an expensive company to build that for you when you could have AI do it for you for free, right? So the link for AI Landing Page Generator is available in the description. Moving right along, guys, we have AI Judge coming in at the tool number 4. So AI Judge is a tool that helps resolve disputes between two contenders. Now, if you're looking for a fair and unbiased resolution for any type of disagreement, you can be sure that your friendly AI Judge is going to deliver some justice. Just don't go getting upset if it's not the outcome that you were looking for, because the judge don't want to hear it, guys. All right. Now, the link for AI Judge is waiting for you in the description. That's right. Now, the 5th tool on our list is called Seamless M4T. That's right. Seamless M4T. It's a collection of models designed to provide high quality translation, allowing people from different linguistic communities to communicate effortlessly through speech and text. Now, this tool is the definition of don't judge a book by its cover, because when you're looking at the website, it looks very rudimentary, but when you start to play around with the app, you're going to see just how cool it really is. I mean, it lets you record your voice, with your mic on your computer, and then you can choose whatever language you want, and it will not only give you the translated text in that language, but it will also give you the translated speech in that language, all for free. Now, how cool is that? There's a link in the description for Seamless M4T. Go check it out, guys. Next, we have ACCOUNTABILABUDDY. That's right. You gotta have to say it like that too. ACCOUNTABILABUDDY by Summit is your AI buddy that sends a simple text to motivate and hold you accountable. So just set your goals and your time frame, and you're gonna get texts from your little AI buddy, and he's gonna be checking in on you, making sure you're hitting your goals, all the while providing you some extra motivation to get it done. And it's an incredibly useful tool that you can access for free. Just click the link in the description. Last but not least, we have Textify. Textify is an AI tool that simplifies the process of editing AI-generated images by replacing that gibberish text with readable text. So if you've ever used Midjourney or any other text-to-image generator, I'm sure you've noticed that the AI doesn't understand how to produce text that's actually readable. Well, now, thanks to Textify, you can upload your picture, highlight that gibberish text, and then replace it with whatever it is that you actually wanted it to say in the first place, right? So the best part about this, it's not going to cost you anything. go check it out at textify.storia.ai. And there you have it, guys. That's 7 free AI tools that you probably didn't even know existed. Or maybe you did. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you found this video helpful and that these tools can make a difference in your life too. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching, and click this next video right here on your screen to see some more crazy free AI tools. Remember, I'm only giving you the real free tools.